Here we have a 2016 66 plate BMW 318D M Sport. Now we do have 4 superb unscratched unmarked 8-inch alloy wheels in gloss black. We also have your LED headlights, the black kidney grills, full M Sport styling kit, so you get the black front splitter, side skirt extensions, rear boot spoiler and also a rear diffuser. Now I do have the blacked out styling on this vehicle, so as well as the black wheels and the M Sport kit, you do also get the black window trim. Now you do get your single tip exhaust flush in the rear bumper and also the rear diffuser. Rear parking sensors just there as well. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. The rear does look superb from every angle. Taking a look at the rear of the car, you can see we do have the full cream Dakota leather throughout this vehicle, your ISOFIX points. You also have your integrated speakers on the doors with your electric windows. Looking at the driver's seat, there's a quick look at that one. Both driver and passenger seats are very, very comfortable seats indeed. Electric windows on the doors. Now you do have your multifunction steering wheel with cruise control and speed limiter just there. You have your keyless start with your stop-start technology just there as well. Satellite navigation screen in the centre. Now you can also have your DAB radio, Bluetooth media, Bluetooth audio connectivity and a visual display of your rear parking sensors. Dual zone climate control with ice cold aircon. Storage tray just down there, 2 nice size cup holders, different drive modes. You also have your knob to use on the screen, soft touch leather armrest just there as well. Now this vehicle is yet to have a full clean. Now once it does, we'll do a full walk around video going through all different specifications that do come with this vehicle. Now it is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HBI clear, comes with fresh service, new MOT and we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching.